In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to charge taxes on all products in Shopify. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have every product in your store set to charge tax using Shopify's bulk editor, which is much faster than updating items one by one. First, make sure you're logged into your Shopify account and you're on your Shopify admin dashboard. This is the main screen where you can see your orders, products, and analytics. From here, look at the menu on the left-hand side and find the option labeled Products. Go ahead and click on Products to open the full list of items in your store. Once you're on the Products page, you'll see a table with all your products listed. At the very top left of that list, just above the first product, there's a white checkbox. Clicking this checkbox will select all the products that are currently visible in your view. If you have more products than are shown on one page, Shopify may prompt you to select all products in your store, not just the current page. If you see that option and you want taxes enabled store-wide, confirm that you'd like to select all of them. With your products selected, look for the Bulk Edit button, usually appearing near the top of the page. Click on Bulk Edit, and Shopify will open a spreadsheet-style editor. This tool lets you change multiple product fields at once, which is exactly what we need. Inside the bulk editor, you'll see columns such as title, price, and inventory. To make sure we can adjust tax settings, we need to add the charge taxes field as a column. At the top right of the editor, click on columns. A drop-down or panel will appear with a list of available fields you can add. Scroll through this list until you find the option related to charging taxes, often labeled charge taxes or similar. Click on it to enable that column in your bulk editor. Once it's selected, you should now see a new column for charging taxes alongside your products. In that charge taxes column, make sure the checkbox for each product is enabled so that tax will be charged on those items. You can usually click and drag or use keyboard shortcuts to apply the same value down the entire column if needed. When you're done, look for the Save button in the top right corner of the bulk editor. Click Save to apply all your changes. Give Shopify a moment